this video, I'm going to show you how to open PDF and to edit it on Word. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now on your keyboard, you're going to press on Windows icon. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So search for Word. Then open Word. Then once it has opened, you will now go to Open. Then go to Browse. Then you can go to the location where your PDF is that you want to open or edit. So I've saved mine in desktop. I'll go to desktop. Now this is the PDF. I will click on it. Then you will see this pop up on your screen. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. So you are going to click on yes. So as you can see, it has opened the PDF file. So you can also edit this PDF the way you'll want to edit it. So let's say, for example, if I want to change this to APA, then after you have edited, you have finished editing, in order to save it in PDF file again, you just go to the file, then save as. Then you can choose the location where you want to save the file. I'm going to save it on Documents. Then under Save as Type, you are going to click that drop down arrow. Then you are going to see PDF here. So click on it, then save. So by doing so, the Word document will be saved as a PDF file. So as you can see, it has opened as a PDF. That's really it, guys. That's how to open and edit PDF file in Word. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.